Hi, my name is Chris. I'm with Ideal Air, and we're going to go over some tips that you can do as a homeowner for your heating maintenance. Now that summer's over, we need to get ready for a heating season. Here we have a furnace. With furnaces, sometimes they are set on a platform or they might be in your attic. So in this setup, we have a platform return. That's where our filters are going to be. So getting ready for summer, we want to make sure our filters are clean. So this is a latching filter grill. We just want to pull these out. These ones are kind of dirty, so these probably should have been replaced a couple weeks ago. So when replacing the filters, we want to make sure that we look at the size. That's 16 by 25 by 1, and the direction we're going to install it. So this is the return air, so air is going to go through the filter and into the unit. So when reinstalling, our arrow should be facing inward. Quick and easy maintenance a homeowner can do in preparation to the weather change. If you feel that you are in over your head with your AC or heating maintenance, you can always call Ideal Air and we'll help you out.